Hello dear friends, in this video we will be understanding an important concept of subsidiary book called purchase book, and we will be able to revise the entire purchase book in this video, the conceptual revision of purchase book. Now my dear friends, please understand that in purchase book only the credit transactions of goods purchased will be entered. Therefore, this book will not contain any cash transactions, point number one, and it will not contain any cash transactions of goods purchased also. Only credit purchase of goods will be mentioned in this book. This particular concept will be tested for 12 marks in your PU board, and it may also be tested for 6 marks with one of those books. So please do not leave this chapter, please do not ignore this chapter, and let us revise each book one by one in 4 different videos. So let us start with purchase book. My dear friends, always remember, in a problem, whether it is a 6 mark question or a 12 mark question, you are required to write in the books of only once. You need not write in the books of for every book. Alright, in the books of, if you write only once, it is sufficient. Now next it will be purchase book for the month of, it may be sales book for the month of, sales return book for the month of, or purchase returns book for the month of. Please do not forget to write for the month of. Then purchase book, let me finish. Purchase book has in totality 6 columns. The first column being date column, the next column being particulars column, where we enter the name of the supplier, which I have mentioned in red color pen. The next column will be ledger folio. Then the next column will be inward invoice number. After that it will be details column, which is our working note column, and amount column. Now always remember, ledger folio for our academic purposes will be blank. Nothing will be mentioned in ledger folio column. Now in this inward invoice number column, if they have given in question regarding some information regarding inward invoice number, please mention it, otherwise please leave it blank. The first thing that we'll be writing is the name of the supplier. In our format I have discussed as Messrs ABC and Co, and then we underline it, and then we start writing the details. Now they would have given details telling that this particular transaction has been done for this particular amount. So it will be number of units into MRP per unit, which we will be writing in details column, which is our working note column. If there is more than one item in a bill, then you will have to continue writing. So in the format I have given accordingly, number of units into MRP per unit, and then you will be getting the MRP for this particular item. Then we'll have to add these 2 items, and then we'll be getting total MRP. If there's only one item in a transaction, then only one item. If there are more than one, we'll have to follow accordingly. And I have taken an example of a transaction, means only one transaction I have taken. What are all the possible adjustments? To understand the possible adjustments, if they give like this: after you get total MRP, will be calculating trade discount on total MRP. So after you get the total MRP, you will have to deduct the trade discount at given percentage. They might give 10%, they may give 5%, 7.5%, 12.5%. Please be careful in calculating this particular amount, because in the past many of them have done mistakes. It has to be calculated on the MRP. All right, after that you will be getting the trade discount amount, which you will be mentioning in details column. After that we will be deducting the discount from the total MRP. After deducting the discount from total MRP, you will get the will be getting some after discount price. Now in the question, if they have given any expenses relating to purchase, that is at the time of purchase, if they give that there was carriage inward, there was transportation, or there was freight, like this, then you will have to add, otherwise you need not add. If they have not given any such information, then after you deduct the trade discount, whatever is the amount, that particular amount please mention in the amount column, which is our transaction amount to be considered in the total. This is how we calculate the purchase book. Now there are some key points that we'll have to understand. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel to get some more knowledge based and exam based content, so that all of us get good marks. Please do share these videos with all your friends so that everyone is benefited, and stay tuned for some more knowledge based and exam oriented based content. Thank you.